How to cast off purlwise. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to cast off purlwise. You'll use this technique when casting off your project on the wrong side, or to add a line of decorative purl bumps along your cast off edge on the right side. With the back of your knitted project facing you, start by purling the first 2 stitches. Then, use the left hand needle to pick up the stitch furthest away from the tip of your right hand needle. Bring this stitch over the stitch closest to the needle tip. Then, slide this stitch off your right hand needle. You have now cast off your first stitch. There should be 1 loop remaining on your right hand needle. Purl the next stitch as normal. You'll now have 2 stitches on the right hand needle again. Use your left hand needle to pick up the stitch furthest away from the tip on your right hand needle. Bring this stitch over the stitch closest to the needle tip and slide it off the needle. You have now cast off your second stitch. You should have 1 loop remaining on your right hand needle. You'll now repeat these steps to the end of the row. To fasten off your last stitch, cut your yarn and carefully remove the knitting needle. Draw the yarn tail through the last stitch and gently pull tight. You can now cast off in purl stitch.